Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing tail light bulb on a Toyota Yaris. As you can see, the right hand side working and the left hand side bulb is blown just next to the indicator light. So it's the standard tail light bulb which we need to replace. Okay, in order to get to it, I'm gonna take the two nuts off, 10mm. Two 10mm nuts to remove the whole tail light. I find it easier to do it this way instead of dealing with it while the light is still on. Okay, so I've already loosened them up, so I'm just gonna undo the nuts with my fingers. Okay, there are just the two 10mm nuts there. Okay, there's one on the bottom and then there's one on the top. That's one, and now is the top one which needs removing. It's the same procedure for changing the indicator bulb as well as the reverse light. So the top left hand side is the indicator bulb, and then the bottom one is for the reverse light. Just gonna pull the circuit board out to show you. So the top one is for the indicator and the bottom one is for the reverse, and the standard tail light bulb on this one is here, which I just gonna pull out. Okay, it's a push fit bulb. Nice and easy, just gonna push the new one in, and then you push the bulb holder in the hole and then twist it to lock it into place. Okay, I just gonna put the circuit board back into its place. Make sure you push it in so that it clips into its place. As I mentioned, the top one is for the indicator and bottom one is for the reverse light. Again, it's the same procedure. I always prefer to take the whole light out instead of doing it, because there isn't much room to maneuver when changing the bulb when the light is still on. Okay, so that's that nicely secured. Make sure you tuck in the wires nicely, they don't come in the way. There you go. Make sure when you put the nuts back on, don't drop them inside the quarter casing area, otherwise you'll have to take the whole casing out to get to them, and you can't just leave them in there like in the quarter casing area, because they'll start rattling when you're driving. So make sure that if you drop anything, make sure that you remove it before you put the covers back. Okay. Just gonna use a 10mm socket to tighten the nuts. Shouldn't tighten it too much. Okay, so that's the top one done, and now I'm gonna do the bottom one. Okay, that's that done as well. Just gonna put the cover back on. Thank you very much for watching the video, and another job, simple job, nicely done in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.